Hello and welcome to our next episode in our multidisciplinary simulation series. My name is Daniel Valicotti and today I will show you how the project management within the 3DEXPERIENCE platform using dashboards looks like. So what you see here is a typical dashboard that the project manager can create for himself. He has all the freedoms that he needs to have to build up his dashboard in the way he likes it. In this case, we used 4 different so-called widget applications. First of all, it's the collaborative tasks, where all the project-related tasks can be shown in their respective lifecycle status. Then we have the project planning for our whole excavator development project. Then we use the 3D Play app for displaying simulation results in a lightweight fashion on our web browser. And we also have the Relational Explorer, where we can see all the connections between the different simulation and CAD data objects that we used within the project. Now let's dive a little bit deeper in all of these widgets and see which information they offer. So first of all, we have the collaborative tasks, and here you can see there are different tasks for our projects in different maturity states. So there are many tasks that are in the to-do state. So there are many simulations, for example, that we need to run for this respective tasks or project. Then some of the simulations are in work and some of them are already completed. Now, the nice thing that you have within collaborative tasks is that each of these tasks can be assigned to a special type of user. For example, the structural mechanics specialists or the multi-body simulation specialist, such that everybody knows which tasks they have to do. And the project leader has an overview over all the tasks and can see how far they are progressing and if everything is in schedule. The next widget that we used is the project planning widget, where we have a Kanban board and we have the different timelines for the different simulations that we have. So here we can see there are the system simulations, there's design phase and the overall simulation for the structural mechanics and electromagnetics. And we can see the dependencies between those different tasks that were already shown in the collaborative tasks widget. And here we can see what is the critical path for our project. Are we still on track with the timeline? Are any issues within our tasks and so on? So this is a perfect overview for the project manager to see if everything is in schedule. The next thing is the 3D Play widget. And this is basically a 3D player where, for examples, cut geometry or simulation results can be loaded directly within the browser, as the browser has direct access to the 3DEXPERIENCE database. Now with that, you can just take a simulation object, review it, see some post-processing results, for example, displacement or stresses within the part, and can discuss that with your colleagues or with your project partners. And last but not least, also very important for the project management is an overview over all the parts and products and data objects that are used within the project. So here you can see our excavator example. This is a quite large assembly with different sub-assemblies and parts and different simulations that are connected. And all of these connections between the parts are directly shown within the 3DEXPERIENCE if you build the model up in the respective context. Now this is an overview and just one possibility of a dashboard that a project manager might want to create. Of course, there are many other widgets that can be used for monitoring all your projects. And this is just to give you some ideas. If there are any questions or if you're interested in the topics, feel free to contact us. Thanks for now.